Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 1.2% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.8% during the session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the gold drop 0.4% against the dollar. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, today's major financial news.
The US Federal Reserve is expected to implement another interest rate hike this week, despite recent indications of slowing inflation. Many experts anticipate a 25 basis points hike, raising the federal funds rate to its highest level since 2001. The euro is near a 17-month high versus the dollar, up more than 18% since falling below parity with the greenback in September, as the ECB delivered the most aggressive monetary tightening cycle in its history. It has also shot up against the yen and recently jumped versus the pound. The International Energy Agency will revise its global oil demand growth projections based on the economic growth prospects of China and some other countries, its executive director, Fatih Birol, said.
And now let's review some of today's world economic events.
The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Finland's Producer Price Index will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.